In this video, I am going to show you how to add music to a Pinterest pin. 1. Launch the Pinterest app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the plus circle icon located at the bottom of the screen to create a new pin. 3. Choose the option to create a pin and select one or more photos or videos from your device. 4. If desired, tap the media camera icon to record and upload a new photo or video. 5. Tap Next to proceed to the next stage of the pin creation. 6. Tap Music from the main menu at the bottom of your screen. Browse through the available songs by title, artist name, genre, and more. Tap on individual tracks to play a preview of the music. Use the search bar to find the list of recently played songs or search by specific tracks. Once you find the song you like, tap Add to include on your pin. If necessary, adjust the start time of the track to synchronize it with your media and then tap Done when you're finished. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.